If you're looking for the best dashcam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're covering the top 5 best dashcams of 2026, focusing on video quality, night vision, parking mode, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. The BOTSLAB 4K dashcam records in 4K at the front and 2K at the rear, with a 170-degree ultra-wide viewing angle. It features a Sony Starvis sensor, ADAS safety alerts, built-in GPS, 24/7 parking mode, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and includes a free 64GB SD card. This dashcam delivers extremely sharp footage with excellent clarity during both day and night driving. ADAS features such as lane departure and collision warnings provide extra safety, while WDR and the Starvis sensor ensure strong low-light performance. Pros: sharp 4K plus 2K video quality, advanced ADAS safety features, strong night vision performance, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, free 64GB memory card. Cons: app interface could be smoother, higher price than basic models. The BOTSLAB 4K dashcam is ideal for drivers who want premium features and high-quality footage. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Pro features dual Starvis 2 sensors, recording 4K front and 2K rear. It supports HDR, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24-hour parking mode. This model offers excellent image clarity with impressive HDR performance, especially in difficult lighting conditions. Voice control works reliably and makes the dashcam easier to use while driving. Pros: high-end Starvis 2 sensors, excellent HDR and night performance, voice control support, reliable parking mode protection. Cons: no built-in display on some versions. Initial setup may take time. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a strong choice for users who prioritize video quality and reliability. Number 3. ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro Dashcam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro records true 4K front and 2K rear using Starvis 2 sensors. It includes a free 128GB SD card, CPL filter, Wi-Fi 6, a 3-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking mode. This dashcam stands out for its fast performance and ease of use. Wi-Fi 6 allows quick video transfers, and the large IPS screen makes menu navigation simple. Video quality remains sharp in both daylight and nighttime conditions. Pros: fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, large 3-inch IPS display, free 128GB card and CPL filter, high-quality 4K recording. Cons: slightly bulky design. Parking mode requires hardwiring. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Pro offers excellent value with premium accessories included. Number 4. Thinkware F70 Pro Dashcam. The Thinkware F70 Pro records in 1080p Full HD and includes Wi-Fi, Super Night Vision, and Smart Parking Mode. A 32GB microSD card is included. Although it does not support 4K, this dashcam is known for reliability. Smart Parking Mode and strong night performance make it a solid option for everyday driving and parked vehicle monitoring. Pros: reliable and durable performance, Smart Parking Mode, good low-light recording, easy installation. Cons: front camera only, limited to 1080p resolution. The Thinkware F70 Pro is best suited for users who want simple, dependable protection without extra features. Number 5. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The Vantrue N5S is a 4-channel dashcam offering 360-degree coverage. It records 2.7K front, rear, interior, and cabin footage, features Starvis 2 night vision, voice control, dual GPS, and supports up to 1 terabyte storage. This dash cam provides complete coverage of your vehicle, making it ideal for rideshare drivers and families. Buffered parking mode ensures incidents are recorded even before motion is detected. Pros: full 360-degree vehicle coverage, 4-channel recording, excellent night vision, large storage support, ideal for professional drivers. Cons: more complex installation, higher power usage. The Vantrue N5S is the best choice for users who want maximum security and full vehicle coverage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. See you in the next video.